Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Kainat and today I will talk about that what is more important for beginners to be learned, grammar or verse. Okay, so I will define these both things shortly. You just have to do what? Listen to me carefully for next few minutes so that I can make you all understand that what kind of role is played by grammar in basic speaking and what kind of role is played by words in basic speaking. Okay, so my dear friends, initially if I talk about grammar, then grammar is important. I am not saying grammar is not, it is important, but at that point of time, whenever you are trying to be perfect speaker, okay, but the stage right now we all are on is not that. Here we are only trying to speak English. This is the stage of improving a language. This is initial stage where I don't think grammar is required. Okay, so grammar is important at that point of time when you are qualifying a test or when you are looking for the job. It is important at that point of time, or also at that time when you are complete speaker and then you are now trying to become perfect. Perfection is something which should be in you, but after speaking. Here, if you talk about speaking, then still I am sure beginners must not have started. So first, start speaking. Don't focus too much on grammar. Okay, so this is all about grammar. Now, if I talk about words as compared to grammar, then words are very important. This is a common sense that if you have good amount of words, you can of course speak English. Not perfectly, but you could be a speaker. Because grammar is something which is related to perfection and words are something which are related to roots of English. It means words are the foundation of English. Words are the root of English. You can take the little example of a baby. When a baby starts learning language, he or she only listens first, gets different kind of words, and after that the day come after 2 or 3 or 4 years that baby starts speaking. So you also have to consider yourself as a baby for little time and then see the result that how you are speaking. Let me tell you that if you are remembering words, that how much words should be remembered by you in the day. I think 10 words on the daily basis, regularly, because consistency is very important. Regularly remember 10 words, and after that, for keeping them in your mind forever, you have to make sentences on those words. Okay, in this way, you will be able to use those words every time. So, hope that you understood whatever I tried to make you all understand. And if you liked this video, then share this video with those friends who are trying to improve English but still are not good speakers. Thank you.